Hey, it's Cody from Hixson. We're looking at the 2018 Lincoln MKX. It's in this beautiful ruby red color that everybody envies. When you hit your unlock at night, watch how all your beautiful LED lights just illuminate. This is a very, very beautiful high-end looking vehicle. It is just the classic look of elegance, class, and sophistication. On the side here you can see our beautiful 20-inch alloy wheels. Lincoln is all about customization. Also too, when you hit your key, this is going to illuminate yellow and you actually have a light that shines down for at night. That way you can see anything that's on the ground beside you. Another great feature of Lincoln is as long as you have your key beside you, you can easily lock and unlock your vehicle by simply your hand. We also have our hidden keypad now. You barely touch it, put in your code, and you get into your vehicle. The MKX is just as beautiful in the back as it is in the front. When you hit your unlock at night, everything here is going to illuminate. You'll have lights shining down so you can see the ground. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. My favorite part about this is our lift gate. You have multiple options as to how you can open it. You can click twice here to open the lift gate. So the great thing is you can have your key fob in your pocket, easily kick lift gates opens. You can put your shopping bags, groceries, don't have to worry about setting them down and digging for that key. Another great feature is if you have oranges, fruit, anything that loves to roll, or even maybe a little beach gear, this is inverted. That way nothing rolls out. It's going to keep everything in. It's a nice little slope there, which I absolutely love. With Lincoln, you do have a full-size spare. Amazingly, you have Lincoln Concierge, so if anything goes wrong with your vehicle, a great Lincoln rep will be right there to pick you up. If you need more cargo room for when you're hauling things or on vacation and storing all that crazy luggage with a family, you can easily lower your back seats automatically by pressing these buttons. Gives you way more cargo space than your average small SUV. You can either press the button here to close it, or you can press twice here, or you can simply kick to reclose your lift gate. In the back of the Lincoln MKX, it does not lack any luxury. You have great heated seats, which many small SUVs do not accommodate you with. You also have rear air to keep your babies and any passenger in the back seat comfortable. Also too, you have a light up here that you can turn on or off if you're wanting to read or anything of that sort, if you have something you need to dig for. Another great feature that I absolutely love is that Lincoln is all about comfort and convenience, so you can easily recline your rear seat and take a small nap. Okay, the interior of the Lincoln MKX has amazing features. We have internal Wi-Fi, which is complimentary for 3 months, or you can purchase it for $20 a month after your subscription expires. Or you can use it as an internal modem, which is an amazing feature by Lincoln. In here, in your home screen, you can see your navigation, you can control your heated cooled seats and your heated steering wheel. If you need to go deeper into your climate, you simply press the climate button and everything can be controlled right here, so you don't have to look down and get distracted by the road, from off the road. Another great feature is you have automatic windshield wipers. You don't never have to worry about turning them on. You have sensors that pick up if it starts raining, they will start clearing your windshield for you. Another amazing feature inside of this vehicle is that you have voice-activated navigation. You can tell your navigation where you need to go. Also, too, you can change your radio stations and things of that sort. A great new thing to Lincoln is you shift from right here instead of having to put your hand here and pull everything down. You simply press on the brake. You can put it into reverse. It will show your backup camera, which details 6 foot, 4 foot, and 2 foot before you back up into anything. It's also color coded. Then you have a black line here showing where your hitch lines up. That way if you're lining up a trailer, you can simply just zoom in. You can see close to where your trailer hitch will go. Also too, if you turn your wheel, it'll show your directed tire path. I'm going to put the vehicle back in the park. So if you're in the market for a 2018 Lincoln MKX, come and see us here at Hixson Lincoln of Alexandria. Bye!